Hi children, this is part 2 of a trip to Bhopal. Suddenly the bus stops with a jerk. Oh, the petrol pump. The petrol pump. Two buses need to be refilled. The buses stand in a line. Children start sticking their necks out to see how diesel is filled in the bus. Some children have got down, look for more closely. Okay, each bus taken about 15 minutes to refill, and there are two buses to be refilled. So they stop there for about dash minutes. So one bus take 15 minutes, two buses take 15 plus 15 is equal to 30 minutes, which means they are late by about how many minutes? 30 minutes late. Okay. Hey, it is such a big tummy. It has already taken 100 liters. How? So we have to pay 3,500 rupees for the diesel. So look in the picture and find the price of 1 liter of diesel. 100 liters of diesel is equal to how many rupees? 3,500 rupees. So 1 liter of diesel is 3,500 by 30 by 100. So is equal to 3,500 by 100. 135 is equal to 3,500. So look the picture and find the price of 1 liter is how many rupees? 35 rupees. 1 liter of diesel is 35 rupees. 135. Next, as the buses are being refilled, some children go to the toilet near the petrol pump. How much time did Aman take to come out of the toilet? Aman has to take as much time to empty himself as one bus is taken to refill. One bus is taken to refill how many minutes? So 15 minutes. Aman also to take 15 minutes. Next, to Bhimbetka. After the buses are refilled, the journey started again. Now the children are told that they are stopping at Bhimbetka. After the buses are refilled, the journey starts again. Now the children are told that they are stopped at Bhimbetka. Anjan, what is Bhimbetka? Miss Arena, it is a place with lot of caves and caves paintings made by the people 10,000 years. Made by the people how many years? 10,000 years. So Bhimbetka means what is Bhimbetka? It is a place with a lot of caves and cave paintings. So Manto, 10,000 years? I cannot even think of the 1,000 year back. He said, I cannot even think of 1,000 year back. Gopi said, oh, 1,000 years is a big thing. I cannot even think of 100 year also. Gauri said, I can think of 100 years because my father's grandmother is 100 years old. Gauri said, what? I can think of 100 years because my father's grandmother is 100 years old. Manjit said, that means those caves are almost 100 greatest grandmothers old. Everyone burst into laugh. Ha ha ha. Okay, children, now let's see. Wow, even 10,000. Okay, now the children are really excited to see the caves paintings. It is about 11 o'clock when they reached Bhimbetka. So, wow, even 10,000 years ago, people made such lovely paintings that too on rocks. Oh, these rocks are thousands of years old. Okay, I will show you in mobile. These are the Bhimbetka caves and paintings. Okay, again you just see Bhimbetka caves and paintings. Okay, children, and uh, Shankar, this paintings also has very big bisons. Hey, I got an idea. I will count the bisons and you count the deers in the paintings. In this painting, some bisons are there and deers are there. Bonmala said, "I will count people. Let us see which are the most bisons, are deers or people." Okay. How many more deers are there than bisons? Okay, total bisons are 37 and deers are 117. Um, um, 117. So how many more deers are there than bisons? So 117 minus 37 is equal to 80 deers. You just do subtraction like this. 7 minus 7 ones, tens, hundreds, 0, and we will take 1. 11 minus 3 means 8. Already we will take 1 here. So 80 deers. But Bonmala is happiest. Why? Because the number of people is even more than the number of deers. So, and bisons together. Her count is less than 200. Means, okay, we just do here 117, 37. Addition here we will do 14, 3, 4, 5, 154 peoples. How many peoples must Bonmala have counted? 154. Less than 200 means 154 they count. The guide tells them that there are 600 caves paintings in all. It is time to leave Bhimbetka. So they have spent 1 hour there. What is the time? It is already I will told you in starting. They reach 11 o'clock in Bhopal. Here only they are spent 1 hour. So what is the time? 12 o'clock. They are now moving towards to Bhopal. They should reach in less than 1 hour at 1 o'clock. At 1 o'clock. So lunchtime. The children are hungry by this time. So they take out their lunch packs. Biscuits, oranges and bananas are also distributed in all the buses. Each child is to be given 1 orange, 1 banana and 5 biscuits. All the children taken oranges, biscuits, but 38 children do not take banana. Okay, how many oranges, biscuits, bananas are distributed? Okay, first we will see oranges. In one person take 1 orange. So total children are 210. So 210 oranges.